Hello everyone, Bruce Elgord here with a short video tutorial on the assignments view that you'll see in Canvas. In a prior video, I gave you a walkthrough of the entire Canvas shell, but in this video, we're going to focus on assignments. So on the left here, where my mouse pointer is, it says assignments, and I clicked on that. And here's a list of every single assignment and quiz that you're expected to complete in this class. Now, each item starts with a number. You see like 1.0, 1.5, 1.7, 2.5. The first part of the number, like the 1 here and the 2 over here where my mouse pointer is, that's the module or the week that that particular assignment is due. And the second part just happens to be a sequential number within that week within the modules. Okay? So let's take a look. The first one, respond. Task, introduce yourself, required. This is a discussion assignment where you'll be asked a couple of questions and you'll need to answer those questions. Due on this date right here, September 22nd, at that time. Now, the next one is 1.5 syllabus quiz. This is a quiz. It's a task that you need to perform, and you need to score at least a 9 out of 10 on it in order to proceed to Module 2. The next item is what we call a written quiz, true and false, multiple choice, that type of quiz, and it's item 1.7. Again, due in Week 1, Module 1. The next assignment that you're going to have due is in Week 2, and it says Upload Practice Page Assignment. Now, page assignment in CTEC 122, there's going to be 4 of them, actually. Well, there's 5, and let me talk about it. The first one is what we call the practice page assignment, and that's going to have you upload, first of all, create and then upload a page, a web page, which includes HTML and CSS, and you'll be uploading that page to the Clark CTEC web server. CTEC for computer technology. Okay, the next task that you're going to have in Week 2, it happens to be a written quiz. Again, true and false, multiple choice. And that's the first 2 weeks, right? That's everything that's going to be due in the first 2 weeks based upon the numbering scheme. The next thing you have here, okay, is 3.6. It's a discussion topic where you're going to have to do some research and partake in a discussion and reply to others. And then there's another written quiz in Week 3. So the first 3 weeks, right, you're going to have 3 written quizzes, a discussion topic, a practice page, right, a syllabus quiz, and this discussion item here, introduce yourself. So that's kind of the first 3 weeks, right? Now, I talked about pages before, and I neglected to outline what the page assignments are. So the first page was the practice page. The next page that you're going to develop is what we call the first iteration of your about page for the 4-page website that you'll be developing throughout CTEC 122. Okay, so this about page is going to have you develop a page it's going to be up to you what the content is going to be about, because this page is going to set the stage for the other pages that you'll develop in the class, which are going to be a welcome page, a products page, an order page, and a revised version of your about page. So again, I'll state that. There's a welcome page or a home page. And then you're going to have another page which lists the products and services that your site is going to offer customers. Then you're going to have an order page where customers, people visiting your site, will be able to order the things that you outlined on your products page. And the last page is going to be your about page. Now, in week, where is it? Let's see, where's the about page assignment? Okay, it is right here. It's 4.5. I was on it already. And that page, the first iteration, is going to be it's going to be your first cut at it. The last week of class, we have you rework it a little bit to match the other 3 pages in the course that you'll be developing: the welcome, products/services, and the order page. Okay, so those are the pages that you'll be developing for the site. And if you look, and actually, let me just head there right now. If you click on the CTEC 122 web page link, and it's going to say open a new tab. And if you scroll to the bottom here, you can see some of the sample sites that prior students in CTEC 122 HTML Fundamentals developed. I'm not going to show you those right now. I'll let you do those on your own. So I'm going to go back to the assignments view. And we were in week 4, module 4. And we were on the About page assignment. Now, 4.6, that quiz number 4 is a web page quiz. This quiz is going to have you develop a web page and submit it, right? Upload it to the CTEC web server. So it's not like the written quizzes that you had in modules 1 through 3. This one's going to have you develop a page. The next is, let's see, 5.6. It's a discussion topic. And then in week 5, you have another written quiz, multiple choice, true, false, etc., matching. And then 6.5, here's where you're going to submit in week 6 your what we call welcome page, or the home page for your 4-page site for the class. Okay, so again, that's week 6. Now, let's see, week 6, item 6.6. Quiz 6, it's another web page quiz. So you'll start seeing, right, the types of quizzes start alternating. You'll have a written quiz and a web page quiz, back and forth. Then you have in week 7 another discussion topic. Then week 7 here you have a written quiz. And then here in week 8 we have you upload your products page assignment. And then there's another web page quiz in week 8. And now we're in week 9. My mouse is at 9.6. There's a written quiz. 9.5 has you upload your order page. And week 10, upload your project website. That's where we have you refine some of the things on your site. And we have you redo. I'm not going to say totally redo, but have you make the About page that you created in, I believe it was week 4. Let's see, About page assignment. Where are you? Practice page. Yeah, week 4. There it is, item 4.5. We have you rework your About page so it matches all the other pages that you've developed. And then there is quiz 10, which is a written and web page quiz. Now, if you read the syllabus, you'll note that we, the instructors, drop one of your 10 quizzes in the class. So what a lot of students tend to do is take the first 9 quizzes and they don't bother to take the last one because we drop one, and that would be the 0. That would be entered as a grade of 0. Now, if you want to skip one of these quizzes, you will be required, right, to take quiz 10. So again, I highly recommend that you take every quiz, you submit it on time, you complete it on time, and you enjoy the last quiz as something you don't have to take. Okay? That's it for the assignments. Okay? They're all right there, all laid out. And as I stated in another video, I highly recommend that you do not use this view as the view you use to go through this class, because you won't be able to. You need to go through modules and progress through each of the items and each of the supporting items material to complete all of the assignments. If you have any questions, just ask your instructor. Thanks for watching.